What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Vault Army, we are back again. Once again, I got another banger for you guys in this video. Now, I know my thumbnails sometimes are very appealing for you guys to click on, but if you look at some of the top YouTubers, they have to create some type of title and thumbnail that piques people's interest. Remember, these videos aren't just getting recommended to people supporting Volt. These videos are recommended to people in the crypto space or on YouTube in general. And if I, as a content creator, could get the word out of Volt to as many people as possible with this platform, then mission accomplished. Volt is one of those projects that will continue to be, performing well. It has outperformed BTC and ETH a number of times already, and it is also very stable because we have diamond-handed whales in the project, diamond-handed holders, so we always have stability in the Volt chart. If we do have retraces, or corrections, they're never too drastic, they're never too volatile, because Volt has great liquidity. It is listed on 100+ exchanges, and the team and the community, the Volt Army, you guys are always super based. Now we're gonna get into the broader market. I'm gonna show you guys a variety of different charts in this video, taking a look at the broader market as a whole. And because Volt is a part of the market, I'll show you how it correlates to Volt in the process. If this is something you're interested in, Volt Army, you ready to dive deep with me and see why the global elites will want to get their hands on Volt, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Meme Coin Daily, 1,310 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Remember, supporting content creators is like free marketing for the project. My goal is to get as much people to know about Volt as possible with my videos, so that's why I always put together great videos for you guys to enjoy. Now let's take a look at the Volt chart. Again, like I've been saying, not much has changed as far as the chart from my previous videos. We're entering into this accumulation phase. The market in general is in a sideways, a crab, a crabbish trend, where we see a lot of sideways, where we see this is the time, like I said, you DCA into projects like Volt that you believe in, because after huge accumulation comes huge moves to the upside. It's like a spring that is compressing until it expands and goes absolutely bonkers. So nothing has really changed so far. There is a lot of good news that has been being released for Volt, and that always happens on a consistent basis. So nothing to worry about, just great entries to accumulate, so you have even better upside in the future, because right now we're sitting at $59.9 million in market cap for Volt. So 10x, 100x, 300x, 400x, 1000x. Remember a tweet Pablo Crow said, 1000x. We already saw a 1000x in Volt. Another 1000x, you can't rule it out. Crypto is very unexpected. If we take a look at the broader markets right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum just a tad bit green, a tad bit red. Like it's been the same it's been the same thing for the past month or so, guys. Just sideways. The past few months, actually, guys, it's just been sideways. It's just a sideways trend, and obviously Volt is getting affected by that because Bitcoin is the lead market mover. I'm not sure how much of you follow the global news, but the US is one of the leading countries that purchase crypto. Now, there were talks of a $1.7 trillion spending bill that was going circulating throughout the news. Huge uproar about it from the US, for the US economy and whatever government legislations decides to do with this spending bill. It recently got passed, so the breakdown, you guys could go through the videos, just type it into YouTube and go through it. But with a huge amount of spending like this, $1.7 trillion, where does that money come from? Right now, if you take a look at the US debt clock, we could type it in right now, guys. US debt clock, right? I thought we're in, a huge amount of debt. Look at this. Look at the amount of debt that we're in right now. US national debt, right? This is million, billion, $31 trillion, guys. Where did this $1.7 trillion come from? When huge spending like this takes place, what happens next? Well, the DXY looks like 2000 will repeat here in 2000 after the negative 9.28% first drop. The DXY surged back and made a small higher high before the reversal. Now, what we're looking for is this downtrend right here. The DXY is the trading index for the US dollar currency index, right? So people could trade the DXY, the dollar. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin and the correlation of the markets, the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Bitcoin, whenever the DXY moves up, you have a retrace, you have corrections in the market. That's why the market has been in a bear market, because the Fed raising interest rates right now. So that's why the DXY is moving so heavily to the upside, you know, going to crazy gains for the DXY. And anytime it retraces, guess what happens to the S&P and Bitcoin? And what also correlates to the to Bitcoin, the smaller altcoins, the rest of the market. When the DXY retraces, Bitcoin goes up, so does the rest of the market. Now, if this person's analysis is correct, we may have some more pain ahead. You know, a lot of people are already saying the DXY is peaked and we're going to start coming down from here. But you can never be too sure. This is why you DCA in. What I'm looking for is this breakdown. Now, it could start from here. A lot of people are saying it could start from this area right here. Or it could start from this side. When this starts to happen, because $1.7 trillion in spending just makes the dollar, the DXY, weaker, right? So when the DXY retraces and comes all the way back down here, just what do you think will happen to the markets? The S&P 500, Bitcoin, Volt, Ethereum, Volt. Remember, guys, when ETH, Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the market does as well. And then we have a lot of new investors, a lot of people that are right now in not too interested in risk on assets like crypto. They start to get interested in risk on assets, and that's when the FOMO season starts to happen. Now, this is stretched out to 2025, but nobody truly knows the future. What I do know is that the DXY will break down eventually, and the dollar will absolutely collapse. And that's when the dollar absolutely collapses, when you see the DXY starts coming down like crazy to, you know, extremely low, extremely crazy lows. It's gonna look like a rug pull. The US dollar is gonna look like a rug pull on the charts, right? And that's when you'll see projects like Volt just absolutely send to the next levels. The Bitcoin blow off top will create Ethereum blow off top and altcoin blow off top, right? And Volt with its stability will have its blow off top as well. Now, this tweet right here, I'm not saying it's time, but it's time. This is the total view of the altcoin market cap, right? This is from Pump C4T. History doesn't necessarily repeat itself, but it always rhymes. As you guys can see from this chart, we have this huge move up, correction, we're still on the trend line. Then we have a falling wedge, huge move up, bull market, correction. You know, we go into a falling wedge, huge move up, correction, falling wedge. We're still on this trend line, right? What happens next? You know, you guys can see right here, we're in this falling wedge. What comes next? Huge move to the upside, and this is for the total altcoin market cap. Volt is included in that, guys. So trust and believe Volt will go crazy in the future. You just have to be patient. If we take a look at Apple stock and its market cap, right? This is just one company. It's just one company, Apple Inc. Everyone has an iPhone or a MacBook, right? 2.7 trillion US dollars for Apple's market cap. The global crypto market is only $797 billion in market cap. Imagine when the global crypto market cap is at $10 trillion. We are so early. You guys might think 60 million market cap on Volt is high. We're super early, guys. I'm telling you guys, the future is bright. Now, we recently had the Volti change updates that will go live within a week. Hence developing Volti change even further. And you know, when you go through the thread of the video, you'll see just how great it is. And it was a great read. That's what I checked out in my previous video. And you can see the team of Volt just stays building, stays developing. And you know, I can't wait until it's rolled out. From Phoenix Ash, Volt is one of the meme coins I'm seriously keeping an eye on. One of the select few alts who actually seem to have bottomed back in June. HH and HL uptrend seems to have a very strong community. Super strong, stronger than the word strong. We need better you know, descriptive words for that, right? And nice developments during this bear market. I'll keep you updated. So as you guys can see, for Volt, Phoenix Ash is saying we're bottomed here. Like I've been saying in my previous videos, the bottom is in. We probably accumulate and then start making more moves to the upside as the future, you know, progresses, right? So guys, keep an eye on that. Don't miss these huge moves in the future. From King Ozzy.eth, Volt consolidation, small candles means all sales are being bought up by someone. Consolidation period has small candles. Very bullish sign. Guys, it is an accumulation phase for Volt. Keep an eye out. Stay vigilant. Stick to your plan. Volt is one of the projects, has, you know, the magic that, you know, a lot of projects had in the last cycle, you know, where you could have bought in 2020 and then 2021 you change your lives forever. Volt has the same potential when you look at the team, the community, everything that's being developed and done for Volt. It has that same potential. So yeah, don't fade this project at all. Really great how the Twitter is run, by the way. It's absolutely great, man. Like the Volt is so bullish, right? It's so bullish, you know. There's nothing like, you know, could turn you off from this project, how bullish it is. So yeah, huge props on how the Twitter is run. YouTube, Twitter Spaces, Telegram, voice chat. The Volt army is always voting somewhere. Insane to experience that, and I completely agree. It's all, if it doesn't feel like a bear market with Volt at all, it still feels like a bull market. So if it's feeling like a bull market right now, imagine just how, you know, powerful the Volt project and the Volt army will be when the market finally turns around. Volt army, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really appreciate the support, guys. Really helps out. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Volt and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.